Eric Keller with Enthusiast Auto Group here. We are in the paint and photo studio. This is where all the magic happens, literally, both in the photography and making the cars look as close to new as physically possible and making sure that that lasts for a very long time. We've been using a lot of ceramic coats for not quite a decade, but close to it. And that's one of the things that we'll sell to our customers, both on the service side as well as on the sales side. Today we have a Dinan Stage 2 E39 M5. This is a 2002 that we sold in 2012 to a client out in Colorado. He enjoyed the car for now 7 years. It's got upper 40s, I think 48,000 miles. We've just completed all of the EAG rejuve work, and it will now be going to the table and get a full shoot. Watch out for this on the website soon, probably later this afternoon. We will have this up. It is an absolute screamer. The E39 M5 with the Stage 2 package is my absolute favorite of the platform. It is a really well-balanced, naturally aspirated experience that is absolutely intoxicating in terms of the soundtrack. But yet, up on the highway, it's not loud. It's tasteful. And this car is one of the nicer ones for the mileage. We've put a lot of extra money. We really went far with this one to put the name on it because it's deserving. It's a special car. Of course, the second time that comes through, it gets that much better. And if I need to remember, I think we bought it from the first owner. So it had 26,000 miles from the DinanS2 package. It is black extended. And we also decided to get rid of the wood trim, go black Euro piano. There is our M perforated steering wheel that we've been doing for a couple years. All the stuff that you're touching is new because that's what we're trying to get these cars back to in used form. It's not the cheapest way to do it, but I enjoy it quite a bit as through our team. And the person that enjoys it the most is the guy that says, yeah, I'll take it. Let me know when it can go on a truck. The M5s, they've been really great for us over the years. So have these E92 M3s. We have a Jerez, didn't even make it to the studio, or to the table I should say. It's a low mileage manual, 13 comp. It is a sunroof car. It's heading to Florida. And George, I don't remember what number this is. I'm gonna guess you're getting close to 10. You might even hit 10 already. Cars, and he's going to fly up later mid-month next and drive it back to Miami when he gets done traveling. This is a cool one, another Sterling. This is an 03 M5 with 77,000 miles that we sold a couple weeks ago. Father and son flew up and drove a couple cars, picked this one. $10,000 of EAG additional upgrades in the Dinan catalog and some media integration. And they're going to be flying in early next week, or if the weather holds off, maybe come in this weekend. Another M perforated steering wheel, CHP knob, Titan trim. This car is one of the best for the mileage, and certainly excited, not nearly as excited as the guys coming to pick it up, but certainly looking forward to seeing them again soon. Another repeat Lime Rock. Obviously we are intoxicated with these cars. This is a 4,000 mile car. Sold it 2.5 years ago. It has now 4,600 miles. We have gone through and done all the rejuve again. Clean up now, back on the table for another round of photos. We've got obviously a great team. Newest member there, Steve. Hi, Steve. And another Lime Rock. This one is going to a client up in Michigan. He has bought now, this is his third Lime Rock, second one he's purchased from EAG. He'll probably be the first to tell you that this is the best one yet. And we are making it better than new condition. We'll have a whole lot of time, all said and done, even though it's a 3,000 mile car. We've taken the paint to the next level, multiple layers of ceramic coat by none other. If you want the best, you call Wes. And we definitely are excited to deliver this to him soon. The undercarriage of this car is literally as it rolled out of the factory, and that's exactly how this car arrived. It's not been wet. It probably won't be for a long time. It's going to go to a really nice collection and get taken out on sunny days and driven around, and I'm sure he'll have a lot of fun with it. And that concludes the EAG nickel tour here in the studio. Definitely appreciate everybody tuning in. We've got a lot of cool stuff coming. More trade-ins and repeat cars. Stay tuned for more. Thanks. See you.